In this video, we'll be covering some of the new features available when working with tables in CAMEL Plus and HYENA Plus. Those who have used the old desktop versions of CAMEL and HYENA in the past may have been familiar with the equals function, which would copy the value from the input field above into the currently selected field. In CAMEL Plus and HYENA Plus, this feature has been replaced with functionality that many will be familiar with from Excel spreadsheets, namely the fill down and fill across functions. When on an input screen with a table, like the Zones and Rooms Show All screen here, you can make a change, for example adjust the ceiling height, click the box in the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it down to apply the same value to all cells beneath. You can also do the same in copying values across to the right. An example of where this may be useful is the Windows screen. I can select multiple cells at once by holding down Shift before clicking, and I can drag this across to the right to copy all these values to a new column. I can then continue to make changes from there. Instead of using the fill down and fill across functions, you can also select one or more cells, press Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. Going back to the first example on the Zones and Rooms screen, you can even copy a single value and paste it to multiple cells at once. Say if I want to change the ceiling heights to 3000 mm, I can change one, press Ctrl C, select all cells to paste to, and then press Ctrl V. Once you get the hang of this, you'll see that you can enter in your input data a lot faster in CAMEL Plus and HYENA Plus compared to the old desktop versions of the software. That's all for this video. For more help on platform basics, be sure to have a look at the other videos in this series that are relevant to you. Links are included in the description. Bye for now.